Welcome back to the Anker SOLIX channel. Now, most portable generators are just engines in a cage. They're loud, fuel hungry, and honestly, kind of dumb. They don't talk to your home backup system. The Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500 is totally different. It's not just a generator, it's a DC range extender for your E10 system. So today, we're diving into why pairing it with your E10 completely levels up your backup power game. Let's jump in. First, you can tell the difference between the two just by looking. The Smart Generator 5500 has a modern, sleek, purpose-built design. It features an ergonomic handle for easy mobility, an intuitive electronic control panel, and a clear display. It's all designed for a simple, worry-free experience from day one. Most portable generators only produce AC power. You connect them through an inlet box or a transfer switch to power your home appliances. It's simple, it's reliable, and it's proven technology. However, when you're charging a home backup system like the E10 with a battery built into it, these generators rely on AC pass-through. The generator produces AC, and the battery converts it to DC for storage, and a significant amount of energy is lost as heat during the conversion. Now, the Smart Generator 5500 does everything a regular generator does, delivering AC power, but it goes further. It's specifically engineered to power your home or charge your E10 directly using DC range extended technology for maximum efficiency, making DC power and sending it straight to your battery. Now let's talk about tri-fuel versatility. Fuel flexibility is another major advantage that the Smart Generator 5500 offers. Most portable generators run gasoline only, or maybe some dual fuel with propane, but the Smart Generator 5500 is tri-fuel, adding natural gas to the mix. This means that you can switch fuels based on what's available or what's cheapest. And if you've got a natural gas hookup at your house, that means that the generator can run indefinitely off of its supply. If you prefer propane for its longer shelf life compared to gasoline and cleaner burn, you can use that too. And of course, you can always run gasoline. Basically, you get maximum flexibility for any emergency situation. Gasoline, propane, or natural gas, the Smart Generator 5500 handles all three. Now let's take a look at the power output. Now, power is where the Smart Generator 5500 really steps up. Portable generators typically range anywhere from 1 to 10 kilowatts, but most popular models sit between 2 and 4 kilowatts. It's just enough for your essentials. The Smart Generator 5500 starts at 5.5 kilowatts, and it delivers 4.5 kilowatts of DC to charge your E10 on gasoline, propane, and even on natural gas. It can still pump 4 kilowatts of DC, giving you reliable, steady, high output power. When it switches to AC output, like a normal generator, it can provide 3.6 kilowatts of AC power to run your appliances directly. Here's one important thing worth noting. While most generators lose 20 to 30% of their output on propane compared with gasoline, the Smart Generator 5500 doesn't. It keeps 4.5 kilowatts of output on both fuels so that you can get full power with cleaner, easier to store propane with no compromises or gas to change out when it goes bad. Moreover, there are 3 power modes that let you optimize output for your needs. Eco mode, which delivers 4 kilowatts of quiet, steady power, which is perfect for running your essentials longer. Quiet mode, which drops to 2 kilowatts of output and stays under 65.5 decibels, so your home can run overnight without disturbing anyone. And turbo mode, which does the opposite and cranks up to 4.5 kilowatts of output for high demand appliances or emergency backup and quick battery recharging. Let's take a look at one of the smart features of the Smart Generator 5500, the auto start and stop. Now, the biggest difference between the Smart Generator 5500 and a regular standby generator is its intelligence and automation. With a regular generator, you start it and stop it manually, meaning you might have to go outside in the middle of a storm just to turn it on or turn it off. The Smart Generator 5500 gives you 4 different ways to start: a button on the display, one tap via the Anker app, a manual pull start as a backup, or a fully automated start program based on your E10's battery state of charge. You set your threshold and it starts when your battery drops and shuts off when it's full. No storms, no trips outside, and reliable power you don't have to think about. If you're worried about the starter battery that the E10 uses, you shouldn't be. You plug it into your E10 and it trickle charges automatically, always ready when you need it, completely independent of your house battery. Let's take a look at the DC range extended technology, which really sets the Smart Generator apart from other generators. It really gets smart here. The DC range extended technology gives you up to 5 times the fuel efficiency of a regular generator. It works through 2 key breakthroughs. First, DC direct charging. Regular AC generators have to convert AC to DC to charge a battery, losing a lot of energy in the process as heat. The Smart Generator 5500 outputs stable 400-volt DC straight into the E10, maximizing efficiency and minimizing conversion losses to heat. Second is steady operation. Most generators constantly ramp up and down with your home's power use, like city stop-and-go traffic. The Smart Generator 5500 charges the E10 at a constant optimal rate, while the battery handles the fluctuations in your usage. It's like cruising on the highway versus stop-and-go driving. You cover the same distance, but it's much more fuel efficient. The result? Well, up to 5 times the efficiency compared to a conventional AC generator powering your home. You get the same backup power in 1/5 of the fuel. And with auto start-stop, it only runs when needed, always at peak efficiency. Now that's the complete range extended system. Just like in a car, getting you more miles per gallon and more hours per gallon of fuel. And the Smart Generator 5500 doesn't stop there. Now maintenance is also automated. It runs self-tests, it tracks its operating hours, it sends smart alerts when service is needed, and through the Smart Anker app, you can monitor fuel, set quiet hours, check performance, and control everything right from your phone. Maintenance is one of the biggest drawbacks when you're using a generator, and the Smart Generator 5500 does everything to minimize those and maximize your reliability. Now let's talk safety and outdoor readiness of the Smart Generator 5500. Most portable generators aren't waterproof and need shelter, which can be a hassle during storms. You might not have a place that you can plug it in far enough away from your home and still run it and be under shelter. The Smart Generator 5500 is NEMA 3R rated, and it's built for all-weather outdoor use. It's water resistant for rain, snow, and ice, UV resistant and corrosion proof, and handles temperatures from -4 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can safely install it outside right next to your E10 in full sun and fully exposed to the elements. Here's another thing that no other generator has: a built-in water alarm sensor. If water around the generator exceeds 1.6 inches from flooding, heavy rain, or poor drainage, it shuts the generator down automatically. This protects the internal components and keeps you safe too, something that no other generator offers, and it's a new level of smart protection. Beyond water protection, the Smart Generator 5500 monitors carbon monoxide levels, temperature, fuel system health, and any mechanical issues that might arise. If something needs attention, it sends a smart alert through the app, giving you reliable long-term outdoor protection. You'll always know exactly what the status is of your Smart Generator 5500. Let's talk about the ecosystem compatibility. The Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500 is Anker SOLIX's first self-developed generator built to work seamlessly across the SOLIX ecosystem. It's compatible with the E10, F3000, F3800, and F3800 Plus. Pair it with the F3000, F3800, or F3800 Plus, and you get all the smart features we just covered: app control, auto start-stop, maintenance alerts, and noise scheduling. With the 5 times efficiency from DC range extended technology, that's only available and exclusive to the E10. You can check the link in the description for full compatibility details for the Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500. So, which type of generator is going to fit your needs best? A regular AC generator may be sufficient if you already own one, only deal with short occasional outages, or have a tighter budget and we're comfortable with the manual operation and all the drawbacks. You should choose the Smart Generator 5500 if you want near infinite backup with your E10, or experience extended outages, or live off-grid and value fuel efficiency and automation, and you want the tri-fuel flexibility along with app control. The Smart Generator 5500 isn't just a generator, it's an intelligent power system that maximizes your E10's potential while minimizing fuel consumption and maintenance hassle along the way. If this comparison showed you why the Smart Generator 5500 is engineered differently, subscribe to the Anker SOLIX YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos about the E10 ecosystem and the technology that powers your energy independence. Now drop a comment below and let us know which feature impressed you most: the 5 times fuel efficiency, tri-fuel versatility, or the industry first water alarm sensor. Anker SOLIX, the only backup power you need.